next functionality we'll learn is copy and paste. So suppose you want to say copy and paste this tracing in the drawing here itself. What you can do is just select the tracing, say copy, and then paste will open up, then paste it. So then you have two tracings, and just move this aside, and if you want you can maybe change the color to a different color. You have two quantities here. Suppose you want all the, say you have typical floors, or you have similar floor plans, maybe minor changes, then you can just select it here from the description. Everything has been selected. I'll say copy, I'll go back. I'm just going in a different item right now. I can go to a different cost head also if I want, or and just say paste here, so it will get pasted, and if there are any minor changes I can just make those changes here.